Hi, everyone! Today we're bringing you an unboxing and installation video for an outdoor waterproof garden light. After opening the tightly sealed packaging, you will find the main product unit and a bag of screws. A restrained, architectural silhouette with layered proportions, designed to anchor entrances, gates, posts, and garden pillars. First, remove the base from the product. We need to unscrew the 4 base mounting screws. After removing the 4 base mounting screws, set them aside for safekeeping. We'll need to reinstall them later. Remove the product base, taking care not to damage the high brightness bulb. Next, place the base at the location where you will install the product. We need to mark the position and prepare by drilling holes for the product's mounting screws. After marking the 4 points, you can begin drilling holes. After drilling the holes, hammer the 4 mounting screws from the product's screw kit into the 4 holes. Remove the nuts and retaining rings from the 4 product mountings screws. Keep them in a safe place for later reinstallation. Connect the product's power cord on the base to your power supply line. Then align the rear cover with the 4 mounting screw holes and secure it in place. Please install the retaining ring and nuts from the products. The mounting screws in the order specified in our procedure. Please reinstall the retaining rings and nuts for the other 3 mounting screws. Next, please attach the product cap. Please reinstall the 4 base screws we removed at the beginning, at the 54-second mark in the video. Now, the job is done. Dazuma, your lighting expert.